Employee safety is of the utmost importance for every organization. Injuries not only affect employee well-being, they can be devastating to an employee's family. Workplace injuries also lead to a loss in productivity and increases in workers' comp and insurance premiums, all impacting your bottom line. Alchemy's innovative safety programs enable you to deliver industry-specific training courses individually or in groups of up to 150. Hundreds of multilingual courses cover subjects such as lockout-tagout, forklift safety, PPE, back injuries, and more. The customizable courses drive engagement through interactive games and friendly competition. But world-class training is only the beginning. Even the best learners retain just a fraction of training without frequent, consistent reinforcement. Alchemy's award-winning communications program includes coordinated huddle guides, posters, digital signage, refresher courses, and mobile on-the-floor observation tools, all working together to build employee knowledge and confidence for consistent, smart action at work. Protect your employees and decrease incident-related costs with Alchemy's workplace safety programs.